Hello guys, and welcome back once again. Today we're going to be talking about two things, something that some of my students had a little bit difficulties in understanding in the beginning. We're going to be talking about a verb and a noun. We're going to be talking about the word desert, which is a noun, and we're going to be talking about the word dessert. But before we get started, guys, as always, please like my page if you like my page there, and also hit that subscribe button for me if you're not already done so, and as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So what's the difference? What is the difference between dessert and desert? Sounds very familiar, doesn't it? Well, these turned out to be two completely different things. A dessert is a sweet food. A dessert is a sweet food eaten at the end of your meal, usually eaten at the end of the meal. I like to eat my dessert sometimes with my meal. I guess I'm a little bit different, huh? So you eat sweet foods eaten at the end of the meal, such as a piece of cake, ice cream, maybe some fruit. Some examples I'm going to give you for a dessert. What's for dessert? We had a very tasty dessert last night. The restaurant serves only two types of dessert: apple pies and chocolate cakes. So let's talk about desert. A desert is an area of land which is very hot and dry. It is usually covered in sand, or with sand, should I say. Here are some examples of the word desert. They were lost in the desert for many days. The Sahara Desert is in Africa. Did you know you cannot cross the desert by foot? It's very dangerous to do so. So those are some examples of the word dessert and the word desert. Do you know what the moral of this lesson is? Don't desert the desert. Let me give you an example of the word dessert. There's another example of the word dessert that is very confusing with the sweets, very different from the cakes and ice creams. It's dessert, when you desert someone. Here's some examples of the word deserted. His friends and family deserted him when he was very young. I would never desert a friend in trouble. This village has been deserted for centuries. Do you understand? You have desert, you have dessert, and you have the word deserted, which derives from the word dessert, deserted. I hope you understood this lesson, guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Again, guys, if you like this lesson, if you like this English comprehension lesson, please like the page, and also hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so. And as always, guys, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a great day, okay? Bye.